Hello and welcome to this Infilink video tutorial. In this video, we will see how Infilink tag data can be exchanged between Microsoft Excel and Infilink. Actually, you can use any other similar spreadsheet program. Infilink uses DDE, that is Dynamic Data Exchange Protocol, for this purpose, and Infilink acts as a DDE server in this case. Infilink can also act as a DDE client and get tag data from DDE servers, but that is topic for another video. Let us explore this feature and get started by creating a simple Infilink project with 3 tags. Notice that Enable DDE Server feature is enabled by default for project. Now, let us create 3 memory tags, T1, T2, and T3. Notice that we will set DDE Client Access Property to read-write for tag T3. Okay, now our Infilink project is ready with 3 tags. Now, let us start Microsoft Excel and create a blank worksheet. DDE protocol uses 3 parameters: application name, topic name, and item name. In Excel formula, these are separated by pipe and exclamation mark characters, as you are seeing here. In case of Infilink DDE, Infilink is the application name. Tag group name is the topic name. And tag name is item name. So for accessing data of tag T1, the formula becomes equal to sign, Infilink, pipe, MEM group, exclamation mark, T1. You can now see that as we are sliding the sliders and changing the tag values are also reaching to Excel and getting updated into spreadsheet in real time. You can use this feature of Infilink to access tag data into Excel and use that data in whatever way your application needs. Till now, we have seen how to read tag data from Infilink into Microsoft Excel. In the next section of the video, we will see how we can write back data to Infilink tags. We will have to write small VBA code snippet to do that. Sample of that code snippet is given in Infilink help documentation, and we will just copy and paste that. To write VBA code or macro in Excel spreadsheet, we will need to enable Developer tab, which is normally not displayed by default. I will start by showing you how to enable that Developer tab. Click on File menu. Click on Options menu. Click on Customize Ribbon button. Check the checkbox for Developer. We can see the Developer menu item now. Click on Visual Basic button. You can now write a Visual Basic subroutine that will write the data from any Excel cell to Infilink tag. We will see how it is done. Please remember that the positions of menu items and buttons can change from one version of Excel to another. Other spreadsheet programs may offer similar VBA code feature but in a different way. We will now pick up the sample code from Infilink help documentation and modify it. This subroutine will pick up data from cell D8 and write that data into Infilink tag T3. Keeping the cursor anywhere in the subroutine code, click the Code Run button. If everything is correct, then we will see the data going from cell D8 to Infilink tag T3. We have just seen how we can write tag data from Excel cell to Infilink tag. Now let us modify the code to see how data for other tags can be written. But remember that we have granted read write permission only for tag T3 and not for tags T1 and T2. So even if we try to write data for all three tags, data for only tag T3 will get written. Now let us create a button on the spreadsheet. Clicking on that button will execute the macro and data will get written to Infilink. We have just seen how we can read and write data to and from Infilink into Microsoft Excel. We have used Excel button click event to write back tag data into Infilink. But you can write that VBA code to execute on any other Excel event, like data change for a particular cell. Depending upon your SCADA or HMI project needs, you can build nice data tables, charts and other stuff that Excel allows. You can also process that data in Excel, export the generated tables as PDF reports. The possibilities are many. This video just provides the basic information. Infilink users have used this feature to implement recipes. Infilink is very easy to use SCADA or HMI product. If you want to download the free demo version, which allows you 1 hour runtime, the download link is provided in the description of the video. If you want to visit Infilink KEP website, the link is also in the description. Thanks for watching this video and bye for now.